Hello, this is Darren L. Hammond, and I'm here to teach you a little bit about mind mapping. And this is a strategy that we're going to use to analyze an essay, look at the organization and structure, and map it out in a visual way similar to an outline, but in a way that we can see better the visual layout. This is really good for visual learners. It's also a method to use to write a paper, to visually plan that out. Now, I've used a program here, and I'm going to show you how to use it. The program is called SimpleMind, and you're going to need to download this, but it's available for both PC and Mac, which is one of the reasons why I chose it. And I'll guide you through how to decide which one you need and then do the download and so forth. So here we go. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to take you to the web browser and the SimpleMind site, so that I can show you real quick how to download that. Now, after you download it, I'm going to pull it up and I'll show you how to do some things. So here we go. If you follow this URL, www.simpleapps.eu/SimpleMind. That will take you to the page you need to go. We're actually on frequently asked questions right here. So I'm looking for the spot to pull up the desktop download for us. And I believe it is up. Let's see. Looking for it here. Okay, it's over here on the right. You can see the Mac and Windows, and I will choose Windows for now just to show you the download. And this screen pulls up. There's the download trial, and it's a free trial, so this is absolutely free to you. And it's an excellent tool that you may use in the future. Now I'm going to pull it up. So you've downloaded it and installed it and everything, and you're going to pull it up for the first time here. So here it is. I'll move it to full screen so you can see a bit better. And you can see that they've already started the map for us. And they put central theme there in the middle, and that's where you start. Now we're going to put actually thesis statement, because that is the center of our essays, right? It's the focal point, what the whole essay talks about. So all you've got to do is click inside this box here, and it will allow you, or click on the text sign, and it will allow you to type over central theme. And I'll just put thesis statement here. Of course, you don't need to write the words thesis statement, you just need to write out the thesis statement itself. But I'm going to save time here. Click OK, and there you see that it's inserted it. So it's as easy as that to get started, and we've begun our mind map already. There are some tools up there at the top, most of which you won't need to use, but you can play around with and see what they do. What you need is this plus button here, which adds to thesis statement a subdivision. So we've got our main idea, now we're subdividing it, or our central idea. Now we're subdividing it into main ideas. So it allows me to write directly in the box. And then I'm clicking on thesis statement again because I want to do another main idea. So I'm going to click plus again, and that will give me another main idea. Type that in there, and you can see, as easy as that, you're not going to put in main idea, you're going to put in the actual statement. But it's as easy as that. I click plus again and throwing in another. I want you to be flexible and include as many main ideas as you can. You can change the colors up here and stuff, but not really necessary. So I'm going to type in here main idea 3, and we've got our mind map moving along nicely. You can see the structure it's starting to take. You can also move these little buttons or boxes around if you want to rearrange them in any way. You just have to grab a hold of them. But now we've got our main idea 1, 2, and 3. You may have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You may see it as just having 2 main ideas. You do the one that seems most reasonable to you. Now, on the first main idea, I click the plus sign, and it subdivides that main idea. And main ideas in an essay usually break down into various sub-ideas. So I'll call this sub-idea 1, and I'm clicking on main idea again so that I can draw a branch from it and create another sub-idea. So it splits it for me. Do you see how easy this is? It's going to be a piece of cake for you. So here's our sub-idea 2, and again, you be the judge of how many sub-ideas you need here. One thing that I wanted to point out is the fact that, let me see here, I'm going to add one more sub-idea, so we've got 3 going there. You can see that. We've got our subdivisions laid out, and then what comes after the sub-ideas? Well, usually there are examples or details or description. So your next step will be to probably add one more level. So click on, go to the first one, click on the plus sign, and notice it begins breaking it down further. Now, you don't have to subdivide again necessarily. They might be in a string. So for example, we have an example here that illustrates sub-idea 1, and then I'm going to add directly onto that one rather than subdividing it. Notice I'm creating a line now, and after the example you probably have details that support that example. And then that's as far as we really need to go. This is how you make the mind map, and then you just do that with the rest of the elements. Thanks so much for listening, and if you have any trouble, let me know, but these are the basics, and I think you'll I was just showing you there. Make sure you save the document, and we'll see if this will upload on Moodle. If not, we'll convert it to a PDF file and we'll upload it as a PDF file. So thanks again, and good luck with this project. There are also, last thing, there are also help items on the SimpleMind website. So if you get stuck, go there first, and you've also got a help pane directly within the program. So go there first, and see if you can solve your problems. So good luck with it. You're going to do excellent. I can see right now. You're welcome to use a different tool if you want. You don't have to use this. This is just one easy way of doing it. You could even do it in Microsoft Word or something like that. So good luck, and we will talk to you later.